Excuse my voice, I just had a party and it got crunk or whatever. Oh no, recently I just went to London, and while I was in London I went shopping at this store called Primark. Well, we went to like multiple ones, and we know about Primark because it's actually north of where I live. I live in Florida, South Florida, and Primarks are like in states where it gets cold. Up north they have one in, what is that, New York. They have one in Philadelphia, and I think they have one in Boston. Not really sure, where they have multiple ones in those states, but it really doesn't come any more south. So what we're gonna do is try on some of the clothes that I got from Primark because they're lit and they were super cheap. If you spend $80 in London, it's really $100. If you spend 80 pounds in London or in the UK, it's really $100. So if you want to keep from that conversion and actually spending more than what you think that you're spending, just exchange at the airport, exchange the cash at the airport, and just use the cash while you're on vacation until you run out. That's how you keep from overspending. Anyway, I got some outfits to try on from Primark, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try them on, let y'all see how we do or whatever. I'm just gonna go back here, turn on my light. Hopefully y'all can see it real good. I got a new setup, I got a new wig, so I'm living life. So I was gonna let this wig down, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. But anyway, let me go ahead and try this stuff on so y'all can see how it looks.